In any activity, everywhere, somehow, fastening is present. Some of the most modern fastening solutions in use on the planet are created and produced by a Brazilian industry. Ciser, the largest manufacturer of fastening solutions in Latin America. In a scenario of innovation and high performance, companies need to differentiate themselves. For this, our purpose is to promote efficiency and safety in people's lives. Ciser is expert in offering the best in safety and performance in fastening systems. More than 60 years of work. One of the most important companies of the H. Carlos Schneider Group. Research, development, and production capacity transformed into high quality for customers who choose Ciser services and solutions. Product lines are constantly increased and improved with launches for different segments. For trade, construction, and industry. Today, it has more than 1,400 professionals working in JOINVILLE and Araquari units in Santa Catarina and Salcedo in Minas Gerais at Ciser Automotive, a unit specialized in the manufacture of parts for the automotive sector and special fasteners. Customers rely on the safety and durability from Ciser, which put them in a position of advantage in the search for competitiveness and improvement. Following a new and comprehensive management concept, a team of professionals specialized in innovation ensures quality and effectiveness in each product to always be beneficial to the customer. The market recognizes Ciser as an innovative company. Thinking about innovation, Ciser has been investing in research, new services, identifying and improving its products. There are already more than 50 awards and recognition as one of the most innovative companies in the southern region of the country. Since 2015, Ciser invests in the Nanotech line. Nanotechnology solutions apply to fastening, allowing use in more demanding segments in anti-corrosion durability. And these are solutions that are constantly being created in every laboratory of the company. And it is with responsibility to the customer and to the people that Ciser is preparing today for tomorrow's challenges. Results that happen because of the people who work here. People who believe in the capacity of growth and the strength of carrying out projects in products and life projects. At any time, customer demands can change, and Ciser keeps up with every need. It is in Ciser's DNA to offer customized and unique fastening systems in each situation, with results monitored for constant improvement. In the development of projects or new solutions, there is Ciser, the largest manufacturer of fastening solutions in Latin America.